Nutrition in plants. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain food and use it for energy, growth, development, repair, and maintenance of life. Nutrition in plants. Most plants are autotrophs because they prepare their own food. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms that can prepare their own food. Examples: mango plant, neem tree, grass, sunflower. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food using sunlight. Requirements for photosynthesis: sunlight, chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide. Chemical equation of photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water, glucose plus oxygen. Chemical equation: 6CO plus 6HOCHO plus 6O. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves of plants. Functions: absorbs sunlight, helps in photosynthesis, gives green color to leaves. Leaves, the food factory. Leaves are called the food factories of plants because they prepare food. How do plants obtain water? Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. Water is transported to the leaves through the xylem. How do plants obtain carbon dioxide? Plants take in carbon dioxide through tiny pores called stomata. Stomata. Stomata are tiny pores present mainly on the lower surface of leaves. Functions: exchange gases, help in transpiration. Process of photosynthesis. Roots absorb water from the soil. Leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Glucose is produced. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Storage of food. Extra glucose is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. Places where food is stored: root, carrot, radish; stem, potato, ginger; leaf, spinach, cabbage; fruit, mango, apple; seed, wheat, rice. Modes of nutrition. 1. Autotrophic nutrition. Plants prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Examples: mango, neem, sunflower, grass. 2. Heterotrophic nutrition. Some plants cannot prepare their own food and depend on other organisms. Parasitic plants. Parasitic plants obtain food from another living plant called the host. Example: Cuscuta dodder. Characteristics: yellow thread-like stem, no chlorophyll, completely dependent on the host plant. Saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic plants obtain nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter. Examples: mushroom, bread mold. Insectivorous plants. These plants prepare food by photosynthesis but trap insects to obtain nitrogen. Examples: pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, sundew. Symbiotic nutrition. In symbiotic nutrition, two different organisms live together and both benefit. Example: lichen. In lichen, alga prepares food. Fungus provides water, minerals, and protection. Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria live in the root nodules of leguminous plants. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. Examples of leguminous plants: pea, gram, bean, soybean. Replenishment of nutrients in soil. Soil nutrients can be replenished by manure, fertilizers, rhizobium bacteria, crop rotation. Importance of photosynthesis. Produces food for plants. Releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Forms the base of the food chain. Converts solar energy into chemical energy. Key points for revision. Most plants are autotrophs. Plants prepare food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Stomata help in gas exchange. Extra food is stored as starch. Some plants show heterotrophic nutrition. Rhizobium bacteria help in nitrogen fixation. Photosynthesis releases oxygen, which is essential for life on Earth.